In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background like that. Now hold it and wait for all of those options to show. When they do, click on this one, which is pop-up view icon located above the gear one. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. If you wanna move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. To close it, hold this line at the bottom and swipe it up. To use it in full screen view though, use the same one, but this time drag it down. Most people miss though that you can also click on the same three dots to check out all of those options. Click on the X on the right if you wanna close your window. Tap on the split screen view icon, this one or this one, if you want to switch from pop-up to split screen. Tap on the second app to use it. And if you change your mind, you can always tap on the same three dots and go back into pop-up view. If you wish to minimize it, click on Home button. Then drag it to the side to turn it into a bubble. To open your bubble, click on it and tap on Tiny Window. Lastly, you can tap on the same three dots and this time select this icon on the left to use your app in full screen view this way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!